with the turbo for the day. Could be an ad. Clouds on the horizon, but no worries, it's gonna be a beautiful day today. Look at that. Amazing. And a bit more traffic now. Bit more traffic as we are heading towards the city. We're north, we're going south, and how do I know that? Because the sunrise is always east, and right now it's on my left, so we're going south. So as I said in some of the previous episodes, I just started as a truck driver, and the objective is to drive the biggest trucks out there. But the restrictions for the first year is heavy rigid license. That's what's called here in Australia. Heavy rigid, you can drive everything without a trailer, or a trailer less than 9 tons, and anything up to 5 axles or 10 wheelers. This is one that I'm driving. It's pretty big, pretty long, and it's a 8 wheelers twin steer. Oh, look at beautiful sunrise. And after 1 year I can drive the biggest trucks out there, which hopefully I'll do, and I believe so I will. Good thing about Australia, plenty of jobs. Just need to have a good will, get out there and explore all the opportunities. So my previous career until COVID hit was a pilot. I'm still a pilot. My license still current. I was a captain flying long hauls in big, heavy, wide-body jets such as Airbus 330. I've flown Airbus 320s, 321, 319, McDonnell Douglas MD-80s, DC-9, Douglas Corporation. That was before the MD-80, the fighter of Boeing, basically. Flown ATRs, King Airs 200, a bit of Air Force time, flying L-39s, fighter jets. Love flying, don't get me wrong. Now with the COVID hit, I was based overseas, 5 years in Africa, mainly war zones and Middle East, Qatar. And I will show you, I will give you a sneak peek. I have some videos that I took of me while flying in normal operations, airline operations. And we show you yeah, just some videos just to have an idea what I was doing before. Anyway, so what happened with the COVID, got laid off, had to leave the base where I was and return to Australia. And after 17 years or 16 years around actually, and I say, what am I gonna do? And I always had the dream of driving big trucks because my granddad used to have, now my uncles have a truck company based in Europe. And I used to always hang around since when I was a kid because I grown up in Europe. Big trucks, and I used to go around Europe sometimes with the drivers, with my granddad's drivers. They used to take me around, stay away 1 week all around, and I just love it. Be on the road on your own, you can listen music, radio. Nowadays trucks are even more relaxing, more comfortable. Back in the days, they didn't have any suspensions under the seats, or the cabin didn't have suspensions. Only the wheels have suspensions, like cars have. Now trucks are very comfortable, almost luxurious, I would say. Some, and I just love it. And I think even if aviation will recover, I will probably end up staying here, maybe buy my own truck, become an owner operator, see what happens. Just love it. It's beautiful, and it is a quarter of the stress, not even, of what I used to experience being a airline commander. So relaxing driving. Look at this view. Ah, bloody hell. I have to say, a sunrise is magnificent from the air, even from down here on Earth. Wow. Look at that ball of fire. Shame that we're going a bit down now, otherwise we'll see the sun coming up. Amazing. Priceless. Yeah, stop talking. In the traffic. One kilometer to the next exit, so not bad. And this lane should be moving faster, usually. the sun gives so much energy. Beautiful.